got turkeys. Hello, hello. We are at the Pine Mountain State Resort Park. Today we're up here at the resort. So let's look around. Let's take a walk. Remember to give me a like and subscribe. I'm still not feeling 100% today, but better than I have been. This is the little amphitheater. Cute, huh? Fossil tree. See a little bit of history here. And there it is. There is the lodge up here at Pine Mountain Resort State Park. This is the resort. I have spent a lot of time up here. Back when my mom was a dispatcher for the Harlan City Police Department. A lot of times they would have their yearly trainings up here. And they would last 1-2 days sometimes. And so we'd come up here and stay. And beautiful place. They also have a restaurant inside. Amazing food. Oh, there's a free little library. I'm gonna have to bring one of my books. So in one of my last videos, I meant to come up here, but that's when I hiked Chain Rock, and it wasn't feasible. If you've watched that video, you know why. But yep, here it is, Pine Mountain State Resort Park. This is the lodge. Short video, but join me in my next for a hike. See ya.